How to delete prompt notes on Instagram. Now, prompt notes is one of the latest features on Instagram, and if we want to go ahead and delete our prompt notes, we can just head over to the Instagram application right here. Once inside Instagram, you want to click on the message icon or the message button, and it will take us to the prompts category. From here, in my case, I'll just go ahead and add a random prompt on my profile. And right after adding your prompt note, the way to go ahead and delete this on your Instagram profile is by clicking on your note right here. Right after clicking on your note, you can just go ahead and click on your note once more by clicking on this one. And right after, this menu will show up, where inside you can then go ahead and see the delete response button. Just go ahead and click on it and your prompt note will be deleted to your profile. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.